echoes in my mind, haunted dreams that never seem to leave me, lost and broken, searching for a sign. As I lay me down, the night gets colder, silent whispers creeping through the dark. Memories, they pierce me like a dagger. In this endless night, no spark. As I lay me down, I drown in sorrow. Stars above, they mock my helpless cries, wondering if there's hope beyond tomorrow. In this place where only silence lies. Ghosts of past, they linger in the silence, chasing peace, but it remains unseen. Hollow eyes reflect the pain within me, in this void where I have always been. Shattered dreams and broken aspirations, wandering through this endless abyss, seeking light in all this desolation, yearning for a touch of bliss. As I lay me down, I drown in sorrow. Stars above, they mock my helpless cries, wondering if there's hope beyond tomorrow. In this place where only silence lies. Ghosts of past, they linger in the asylum. Stars above, they mock my helpless cries, wondering if there's hope beyond tomorrow. In this place where only silence lies. As I lay me down, I drown in sorrow. Stars above, they mock my helpless cries, wondering if there's hope beyond tomorrow. In this place where only silence lies. Shattered dreams upon the floor, echoes scream, can't take no more. Lonely nights I toss and turn, every bridge I watch it burn. Staring at your photograph, memories that cut in half, faded love in shades of blue. In my head, it's almost through. Almost over you, I swear. Breathing in the empty air, fading shadows in my mind. Hope someday I'll leave behind. Walking down the empty streets, every place where we would meet. Ghosts of moments linger still, curing wounds with bitter pills. Whispers haunt me late at night, fighting feelings lost to fight. In the dark I see your face, almost gone, no chance to erase. Almost over you, I swear. Breathing in the empty air, fading shadows in my mind. Hope someday every place where we would meet. Ghosts of moments linger still, curing wounds with bitter pills. Walking down the empty streets, every place where we would meet. Ghosts of moments linger still, erase. Writing letters never sent, all the time I wasted spent. Almost over, almost free, breaking chains that you placed on me. Winds howl through our past, shattered dreams and broken glass. Nothing left but faded scars. We used to reach for stars. All behind us now, memories cold and foul. Can't go back somehow. All behind us now. Silent cries in the night, struggles never felt so right. Fought the demons, lost the fight, burned out in the morning light. All behind us now, memories cold and foul. Can't go back somehow. All behind us now. Ghosts of what we used to be haunt my days and nights endlessly. But we move on through the pain, through the fire and the rain. All behind us now, memories cold and foul. Can't go back somehow. All behind us now. Drifting through the night, lost in shadows deep and cold, searching for some light to break this grip of old. Wandering the streets, empty faces pass me by, haunted by defeats, no answers to my why. All that I need is a sign from above, just drips like water on cold stone ground. Whispers echo hollow where no one's found. Fingers reaching for shadows that won't stay. Could have held it tight, but it slipped away. Always and forever, it's a broken creed. Promises are hungry, but they never feed. Carved in the sand till the tide came through. Always and forever never meant what I thought it knew. Roads stretch long where the endings hide. Sweat in the dirt, still we run wide-eyed. Chasing ghosts that don't have a face. Every turn leads back to this same damn place. Always and forever, it's a chain we wear, dragging through the moments when no one's there. Etched in mirrors where the cracks came creeping. Always and forever never meant what I thought it knew. Always and forever is where dreams are sleeping. Lies we tell in the blackest night to hold ourselves together so it feels alright. Breaths in the dark where the truth gets blurred. Always and forever, a borrowed word. Paint peeling off where the hearts once beat. Walls crumble down but the echoes repeat. Falling through the gaps where we place the blame. Always and forever feels like a cruel game. Always and forever is where dreams are sleeping.